Hi, this is Melissa, Support Engineer at Solana Networks, and I'd like to welcome you to the SparrowIQ Alert tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create, customize, and automate alerts. Alerts are an important feature to your monitoring solution. The SparrowIQ Alert function allows for visibility into any network without having to constantly check the SparrowIQ dashboard. After this tutorial, you will be able to create and customize alerts, as well as receive email notifications when your defined thresholds have been crossed. Let's begin with creating an alert. Select the Alerts tab at the top of the page. If you have no configured alerts, then the fields to create an alert will be shown as soon as you enter the page. Otherwise, select Add Alert. There are several fields here. We will start with the alert name. The name of the alert will be present on any generated dashboard alerts or alerts that are emailed, so it is helpful to name the alert accordingly. The next field is Alert Me When. These fields are the basic thresholds for your alert. You can choose a threshold, bandwidth, or traffic volume. As we have it now, the alert would be triggered when the network traffic crossed the threshold of 1 megabits per second one time in 1 minute. Traffic volume will set the parameters for total volume surpassed in the network in megabytes or gigabytes. In the network I am currently monitoring, the internet connection download speed is limited to 5 megabits per second. To get a sense of the overall utilization of the internet link, an interesting alert would be when the download rate crosses 90% of the available bandwidth. We will set the trigger condition to be one time in 1 minute. If we happen to see a flood of alerts, we have a heavily utilized WAN link that should be upgraded. I will also set up an alert for average bandwidth congestion. When the network is above 50 to 70% of the link connection for an hour, this would be cause for concern. An alert is best utilized when suited to your or your client's network. This would be accomplished by baselining the network and determining what would constitute a major deviation from the normal traffic pattern. From the dashboard, we can hover over an alert that was generated at 4:40 p.m. and see that one of the contributing factors to this alert was YouTube. Since this is a contributing factor, it would be a good idea to create an alert to monitor YouTube to ensure that this is not constantly hogging company resources. Let's go back to the Alert tab and set this up. We can either update our current alert or generate a new alert. I will go ahead and create a new alert. SparrowIQ offers the following filter types: application, endpoint, IP group, class of service, country, and domain. Each filter type allows for a variety of alerts that can be tailored to the network needs. I will use the endpoint filter and type in YouTube to monitor. Notice as I type YouTube, it is automatically populated. Variables that are already in your Sparrow database will be automatically populated for you. Here are some other alert examples: a Facebook alert, an alert when the traffic volume for the marketing IP group crosses a set limit, an alert when Salesforce crosses a threshold, and finally an HTTP alert. Next, let's look at emailing an alert. Ideally, we do not want to have to constantly watch the Sparrow dashboard for an alert, and an email would be much more convenient. Before you can add an email in your alert, you must ensure that the email option in SparrowIQ is already configured. To configure, go to Settings and then Users. Add an email to your user. This will be the default email for this user. For example, if you forget your password, an email will be sent to this address to reset the password. Next, go to Email Setup. Fill out the email fields with your email account's corresponding information. Emails will be sent from this address. Select Save and then Test Settings. If you have configured your email correctly, an email will be sent to the email address and users you had previously entered. Before continuing, please ensure that the test settings is successful and that you have received a Sparrow test email in your emails inbox. Now that this is complete, we can configure alerts to send emails. This time, I will update my previously created alert. Simply select the frequency that you would like to be updated on an alert and enter the email address the alert will be sent to. An alert sent to send immediately will be sent when an alert is triggered. An hourly alert will send an email every hour if an alert is triggered. This email will contain a list of each time that alert was triggered in that hour. A daily alert will send you a daily email with a list of each time the alert was triggered in that day. Finally, you can disable an alert from the Alerts tab by toggling on. To delete the entire alert, open the alert with the tools and select Delete Alert. To dismiss an alert, select the plus on an alert and individually dismiss or dismiss all alerts. There is also an option to dismiss all alerts from all categories. This will clear all generated alerts throughout. You are now set up to receive customized alerts through email. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please visit our website at www.SparrowIQ.com for additional information or email us at sales@SparrowIQ.com if you have any questions.